Who's that? Animal? This animal's fur changes color depending on the season, helping it blend into its surroundings. Who's that? Animal? It has one of the warmest fur coats of any mammal, with up to 13 centimeters, 5 inches of fur. Who's that? Animal? Despite its small size, it's an opportunistic feeder, preying on small mammals, birds, eggs, insects, and carrion. Who's that? Animal? During the winter months, it may follow polar bears to scavenge on their kills. Who's that? Animal? It's known for its intelligence and ability to survive in harsh Arctic conditions. Who's that? Animal? This animal forms monogamous pairs during the breeding season, and both parents participate in raising their offspring. Who's that? Animal? Climate change poses a significant threat to its population, affecting prey availability and habitat. Who's that? Animal? Can you guess the animal? It's the Arctic Fox. Arctic foxes have a unique hunting behavior called pouncing. Instead of chasing their prey like other predators, Arctic foxes use their keen senses to listen for the movements of prey beneath the snow. When they detect something, they leap high into the air and dive headfirst into the snow to catch their unsuspecting meal. It's like they're playing a fun game of snowy hide and seek while hunting for their dinner. Isn't that cool? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more animal adventures, and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for our next wild exploration. Share the love for the world's incredible creatures with your friends, and let's keep celebrating the beauty of our planet's diverse together. Until next time, stay wild and keep embracing the magic of nature.